Here at Trussdale, our purpose is to connect folks like you with good quality companies that provide great service at a fair price. I'm proud that Trussdale certified partner Archer Restoration Services makes an extra effort to deliver an exceptional customer experience.
There's a condensate line that runs the water from the HVAC system outside of the house.
The water that my daughter-in-law Meredith is talking about was seeping through the wall in their family room.
It was all the way down into the flooring and into the hardwoods. This is where the kids play. This is what their art desk that they love to draw on, as you can see, gets used quite frequently, and the mold was right behind it.
After finding the mold, Meredith made 2 calls. The first to her homeowner's insurance company, and the second to Trussdale certified partner Archer Restoration Services. My son and daughter-in-law were petrified that it was going to be toxic mold. How did you handle that?
Initially, we want to come in, we set up our containment, set some air scrubbers, make sure we keep it as clean as possible and as safe as possible while we're going through the insurance process and assessing, how bad is it.
How long did it take to determine whether it was toxic or not?
Especially when we're waiting on lab results, waiting to find out, the full assessment of the situation. It can take a few days.
The good news was that the mold was not dangerous. The bad news, Meredith's home insurance company wasn't going to write a check. What was insurance's first response to you?
Oh no, that's not covered. Like, just flat out. Like, oh no.
Without the coverage, the Cardwells were expected to pay $22,000 out of pocket. And you didn't have that in a cookie jar?
I didn't have it in a cookie jar. I don't know most people that do nowadays.
But they did have Archer Restoration's insurance expert, Brandon Borowski, on their side. He was able to navigate the language in the policy and convince the insurance carrier to cover the entire repair. Why are you and Archer so successful at communicating with insurance companies?
Just open communication with them, being upfront, showing them the photos and all of the damaged areas and getting a good game plan with them early in the process so that there's no secrets or surprises on the back end.
What is your advice, Corey, to people that encounter a loss like this and try to handle it with their insurance by themselves?
Handling it by yourself, it's you against the insurance company. But when you reach out to somebody like Archer Restoration and having that background in understanding policy language and coverages, that puts us ahead of the game and allows us to best serve our customers.
Without their help, we wouldn't have gotten this covered, or we wouldn't have known any better. We could have paid out of pocket. We could have done so many different things. So definitely go to Trussdale and find yourself a company, or Archer is a great company to help you with anything you need related to home damage.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button to catch our daily content.